Matongoretio ni Archbishop wa Diocese ya Nyeri Anthony Muheria. Atongoria a dini aria megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri ria kuhoera bururi mauma na ndumiriri imwe ya kuhunjia thayu riri itigarite thikũ 74 tu mbere ya githurano kinene kia mweri wa kanana. Atongoria a kiuteti nimorotetwo ni undu wa gucungagiriria wagagu kuri muingi oro hamwe na kwambatiria urugari wa kiuteti na njira itagiriire riria ithurano cia kuhiriria undu uria uthararagia muikarire wonjoria hamwe na maundu mangi o mwaka wa githurano.
We have made elections a do or die affair in which every one of us believes that our candidates are the best, are the most legitimate, and therefore must win.
Kwaga kuiguana kumana na mirugamo ngurani ya kiuteti ni umwe wa maundu maria macungagiriria rumena gatagati ka atongoria makiurio gutuika kionereria kiega gia thayu na njira ya guthikaniriria kunina muku ngoro-ini na kuohanira.
As leaders to listen and to change, transition from evil to good, to destroy our altars and places altar in our hearts. We are reminded we need to be leaders willing to sacrifice our ego.
Let us turn to one another and laugh and care. That's the only thing that can prevent us from taking ourselves to the brink and collapse our nation just because of an election or differences of opinion of 2 or 3 people that escalate to become a national enmity.
Na riri kambeini cia githurano kinene kia mweri wa kanana ciihiriirie atongoria aya nimoritio gwicurania mwerekero uria marenda bururi uyu koya thutha wa githurano kuona riu wigiririkia uyu uri moko-ini mao.
I believe this could be a turning point for our nation. And people are going to benchmark with us on how we do elections and how elections can be done in our country.
When you talk, when you lead, when you show your true colors, when you politic, what choice will you make?
Riri riuma igongona ria 19 ria mahoya ma bururi na ria muthia wathanini wa mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.